What's up everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. I told you I'd be back in the morning with another update on Luna 2.0 and we have something to talk about, alright? In this video, we're going to be talking about the price obviously, but I also wanted to talk a little bit more about what's going on between Luna and Luna Classic. First of all, I mean, to me it is 100% clear that there's some manipulation going on. Now, who's doing that manipulation is the big question, obviously, and in all honesty, I don't know. I don't think anybody knows in the world right now except for the people doing it. But 7.2 billion in volume, where 24 hours ago we had 230 million, which was already quite high for Luna, right? You can see, usually it's lower. Now up to 7 billion with a move like this. That just smells like manipulation. All right, and I gotta say, probably a lot of the volume that has come in over the last 24 hours is organic. All right, but like the initial like 3 billion, I don't believe it. All right, so it's definitely manipulated, and now there are all kinds of stories going around of Do Kwon wanting Luna Classic to fail, because Luna Classic is actually pretty bearish over the last 24 hours. I don't think it's catastrophic, but it is pretty bearish, and now the volume of Luna Classic, which is very high too, is way lower than Luna. Luna is way more bullish, so I'd say it's a valid theory that that some people, at least at Terra Labs, are trying that to get people to go to Luna 2.0. But that's just my take. I mean, you cannot really confirm anything unless people do some on-chain analysis, analyze transactions, identify wallets. That's the thing you need to do in these situations. And I don't think that has been done yet. If anything has been done about that, I will definitely make a video about that. But that's just what I wanted to say. I mean, would it be a good time to invest in Luna right now? I don't know. I mean, I wouldn't. All right. It's just I think we're going to fall somewhere within the next months. All right, at least. All right. I think it's going to happen earlier, but at least within the next months we're going to fall. If you think Terra is a great project still, the new Terra, then it would be a relatively low market cap, and there's definitely room for growth. So if you would want to buy Terra sometime in the future, I would wait. But taking a look at the price, and we zoomed into the 1 hour time frame. What we said yesterday in the analysis, in my last analysis, like that was about 11 hours ago, we said that we would probably stay above 4.5 and stay between $6 right here and 4.5, which is also what we have been doing. If you zoom in a little bit, you can see that we had a bullish break retest off of 5.6. I mean, there is a possibility. I think 7.5 is the top. All right, there is a possibility to get back up to 7.5 again, but for that to happen, you would really need to break above 6.5, I'd say. Then you could get there to 7.5 and $8. I don't think we'll break that. But I also don't think it's really likely that we'll break 6.5. As I said, I'm sticking with my analysis from yesterday. I think it's more likely that we'll just like kind of consolidate between 4.5 and 6.13, with the key level in the middle being 5.5. And $5 is also a minor key level. And then somewhere, I am expecting somewhere within the next week, probably even. It could take a little bit longer, but I am expecting that once 4.5 breaks, and I think it's going to break, we're dropping down to $4. That might actually hold for a little bit, but eventually we'll also drop down to $3.5. That's something I expect. And I said yesterday evening too, I mean, this could all take a little bit longer than expected. We could definitely stay consolidated up here for a week. But this is just something I expect for the long term. In between that time, we'll consolidate between 6.13 and 4.5. There could be a small rally in the middle up to 7.5. I don't think we'll break this. I mean, you can just see that enormous candle, and it's a very strong key level. Don't forget about that too. But the main catalyst behind that would be breaking above 6.5, which definitely isn't nothing. So yeah, that's my take on Luna 2.0 for now. If you do have any questions about it, feel free to ask me down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.